Welcome to the data-driven inventory management dashboard for efficiency and cost reduction. This tool transforms inventory data into actionable insights, helping managers cut costs and ensure availability. The dashboard classifies every part using industry-proven methods. ABC shows which items are most valuable. FSN highlights what's moving fast or slow. XYZ analysis reveals demand stability. And HML ranks items by cost. Together, these analyses tell the user what matters most. Reorder point analysis alerts user exactly when to act. Safety stock is dynamically set by demand predictability, tighter for stable items, higher for erratic ones. Suggested order quantity is then calculated using monthly demand plus safety stock minus current stock. To make decision even easier, items are grouped into purchase groups. So managers don't need to check each part individually. Critical groups are highlighted for immediate attention, while less critical ones are controlled conservatively. This means fewer stockouts, less blocked capital, and smarter purchases. With real-time monitoring of pipeline risk flags and reorder alerts, user can prevent overstock and ensure critical items availability. This dashboard turns inventory data into smart, actionable decisions. Thank you.